Welcome to HTML4 video series. This is part 58, and today we are going to move our content to ok.sufferingitbusters.com, and the content is going to be something like this. Remember? Yeah. So what we did in past was we designed the whole website in Coffee Cup Shop, right? Coffee Cup software, I'm sorry, and then we tested the website in browser, and in the end we pushed it to live, right? So if you remember that on desktop, I do have that folder. Alright, so let's test it out pretty quickly. You can see this is shooting out from my desktop, and this is my index.html, which is my home. About us is good, YS, what we do, clients, testimonials, and contact us. So we are good to go, right? Our site is working fine. Next thing we are going to do is, let's check. We need to bring in the FileZilla. So FileZilla is right here, and let's connect to my subdomain, right? I'm sorry, my server. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna go to desktop. Over here I am going to go to OK, right? Next I am going to touch my simple folder, and I will do Control A, and I will drop these two files because they are the coffee cup files, and I will move these files, simply drag onto the right hand side within the OK, right? And you can see that it says that index.html is right there, and I got different. So do you want me to overwrite? So I would say yes. Okay, and you can see that, one second, we have the successful file transfer from here to here, right? In case if you get a failed transfer, we get something over here. If it is queued up, we can see right here. So we are good, right? And next, now I will go here, but one second, I will check the content, if those content what I'm seeing over here has reflected over here. So I'm gonna do the refresh. Hopefully everything shows up correctly, and yes, we can see all the files are right here and everything looks pretty great, right? So either I can go by file manager, the control panel, or the FTP. Now comes the final part where I can see my old website has this old content, right? And now once I do the refresh, it will show up with the new content what I just loaded onto the site. So it should bring the data, but I don't know why it is taking too long. Maybe my internet connection is pretty slow and something has messed up. What just happened? Alright, let me try ok.sufferingitbusters.com. Looks like my internet connection is gone. Alright, I'm sorry, the connection is back, and you can see our site is up and running, and we can see home, which is nothing but the same thing. We can go about us, and we can view the different pages, but the bottom line was we did a lot of things in here, right? So our site is live. So I'll do a quick recap what we did. First, we got ourselves into the control panel, right? How did we get in? We bought the domain name and the hosting space. Once we got in, we looked at our website and domains. Of course, I'm not ignoring everything what you're seeing over here, but there are a lot of things in here. But my point is, once you get mature, you will be able to understand what are these things and how to use them, right? And when we came here, what we did was we looked at our domains and subdomains, and we decided that we are going to create a subdomain, right? And then we created a subdomain, and we verified the same with the FTP as well. Alright, and in the end what we did was we saw like what's going on with over here, right? The file manager, the content what we have within the OK directory, and the same we tried in here. Then we looked at our local system, and from there I actually picked up my simple project where I have the HTML files and my content, and I simply pushed it onto the server, right? And then I came here and I verified my latest data is here, and it is syncing pretty much with the FTP. And finally we looked at our website where I can see that right now I have requested about us.html page and it's working fine. Let's try why us.html page and it should show up, right? So you got the whole process, right? So I hope this video helps you in some way, right? And what I'm planning to do is this is going to be the end, but I will make the one final video in I'll call it that video as the end, and I will show you, in future what are the things you can do with this website, right? So hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. Good night and take care.